From the moment we met in 2012, through our mutual friend Zafar, my life changed for the better. Sometimes I am still astonished how our late-night League of Legends gaming sessions turn into late-night Skype calls, and over time, into an 11-year relationship. I was definitely the more quiet one, and I won't deny, you asked me first. We are a duo that will continue to overcome any obstacle that presents itself. And just to make sure, I promise to love you forever and always. I promise to be as patient with you as you are always with me. And I promise to not be perfect, but try and be a better person each day.
The 11 years we've been together have felt both like a lifetime and a blink of an eye. We've been through so many life's biggest milestones together, from our days at university, barely knowing what we wanted to do with our lives, to starting our first jobs, buying our first home, and sharing countless adventures across the world. But what I love most about being with you is that we never have to go far or do anything grand to feel like an adventure. I love our weekly Costco runs as much as our trip to Iceland. You made me realize that life's biggest joys came from the small things. Our quiet Friday nights at home, the way you offer to cut me fruits and bring me tea when I'm having a bad day. It's waking up each morning knowing that no matter what happens, you'll be there with me. So today, I make these promises to you as we continue on the next leg of our life adventure. I promise to share in your passions, even if I don't always understand them. I promise to always try to be patient and kind and understanding towards you, towards myself, and towards our relationship. I promise to continue to adventure with you, both seeking new experiences and cherishing our routines. I promise to love all of you, the good, the bad, and everything in between.